Elon Musk made a surprise appearance during Germany's Alternative für Deutschland AfD election campaign event in Halle in eastern Germany on Saturday, speaking publicly in support of the far-right party for the second time in as many weeks. Addressing a hall of 4,500 people, alongside the party's co-leader, Alice Weidel, Musk spoke live via video link about preserving German culture and protecting the German people. It's good to be proud of German culture, German values, and not to lose that in some sort of multiculturalism that dilutes everything, Musk said. Last week, the US billionaire caused uproar after he made a gesture that drew online comparisons to a Nazi salute during President Donald Trump's inauguration festivities. On Saturday, he said children should not be guilty of the sins of their parents, let alone their great-grandparents, apparently referring to Germany's Nazi past. There is too much focus on past guilt, and we need to move beyond that, he said. Musk, who spoke of suppression of speech under Germany's government, has previously attacked German Chancellor Olaf Scholz on X. For his part, Scholz on Tuesday said he does not support freedom of speech when it is used for extreme right views. Musk spoke in favor of voting for the far-right party. I'm very excited for the AfD. I think you're really the best hope for Germany's fight for a great future for Germany, he told onlookers.